Rail replacement is currently underway on the line between Berlin and Hamburg. First, the new rails are unloaded and placed on the sleeper heads by Vossloh's replacement teams. The old rails are laid aside and loaded later by the track construction company. Since trains travel at up to 230 km per hour on this line, elastic rail pads are inserted between the rail and the sleeper. The pads are also being replaced. During installation, account must be taken of a special detail. Whenever our elastic rail pads are in use, as they are here on the high-speed Hamburg to Berlin line, rail rollers are always to hand. If the rail moves during track neutralization, the track construction company must use these rollers to protect the elastic rail pads. Every good track construction company therefore has such rollers, which are inserted under the rail at every 15th sleeper. During preheating before welding, the rail expands by several centimeters, as can be seen here in fast motion. This expansion will be enough to damage the rail pads. The rollers keep them intact. The rail joints are now welded and the rollers removed by the next team. The work steps are repeated every 180 meters, the individual rails being that long. More than 3,300 elastic rail pads are installed per kilometer. We're working closely together with a lot of companies in a tight construction window, so everything has to run like a Swiss clock. There's no cause for complaint so far, and we're very satisfied. The old rails are loaded at 3-kilometer intervals. Work continues around the clock. Everything has to be finished on time, because the Berlin to Hamburg line will soon have to accommodate many more trains than before, as the Hanover to Würzburg high-speed line is being renovated and the trains diverted to Hamburg over a wide area via Halle or Leipzig and Berlin. The rails here are now back in top-notch condition and the track is well prepared to take the additional load.